Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Today's question is middle of the linked list. In this question, we are given a non-empty single linked list with the head node and we have to return the middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, then we have to return the second middle node. Okay, so we are given a function in which we have given the head of the linked list as a parameter and we have to return the address of the middle node. So let's look at the examples. See, the linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that the if the length is odd, then the middle element will be the middle element, that is 3 will be the middle of this linked list. And if the length is if the length of the linked list is even, like in this case, that is linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we know that there are two middle elements, that are 3 and 4. So in this case we are clearly mentioned that if there are two middle elements, then we have to return the second middle node. So in this case 3 and 4 are the middle elements, so we will return the second node, that is the fourth node. The address of the fourth node will be returned in this case. So now let's look at the approach of this question. See, approach of this question is very simple. What we have to do, we have to take two pointers. One is the fast pointer and another one is the slow pointer. So what the fast pointer at every iteration will move the distance of two nodes, and the slow pointer at every iteration will move a distance of only one node. So now let's see how we will traverse the linked list. See, both of the fast and slow pointers are initialized with the head of the linked list, and at every iteration the fast pointer will move by two nodes and the slow pointer will move by one node, and after another iteration the fast node will move by two nodes and the slow will be moving by one node. So now at the third iteration we can see that fast have to move by two nodes, but the next node of 9 is null. So it means that this will be our breaking condition, that is whenever our fast whenever the next pointer of the fast node is null, then we will stop iterating the list and we will simply return the slow the address of the slow pointer. So we can see that the address of the slow pointer is 4 and 4 is only the middle element of this linked list. So when this was the case when a linked list was of odd length. It means that when a linked list is of odd length, our the next pointer of fast will be equal to null, and we won't be able to move our fast node further, and we will simply return slow from here. So this was the case when a linked list was odd in length. Now consider a case when a linked list is even in length. So on first iteration our fast node will move by two nodes and a slow pointer will move by one node. At another iteration our fast node will move by two nodes and a slow node will move by one node. After again our fast node will move by two nodes and our slow node will move by one node. So see, in this case when our linked list was even, so our fast pointer has reached the null value. In odd case the fast next was becoming null, but in even case fast has reached the null value only. So in this case also we will return slow pointer only. So the address of the slow pointer in both the cases is the middle element we require, but we simply have to take a note of the stopping conditions, that is when the linked list is when either the fast next become null or fast become null. So these both are the stopping conditions and we will simply return slow from here. So now let's just jump into the code and write it. So now first is the base cases. If our head is double equivalent to null, return head. Now we will declare two variables. First is list node star slow, it will be initialized with head. Another is list node star fast, it will be again initialized with head. Now what were our stopping conditions? While loop for iterating the list, while our fast is not equal to null and our fast next is not equal to null. So these were our two stopping conditions. First stopping condition is when the length of the list is even, and the second stopping condition is that when the length of the linked list is odd. So in this while loop what will happen? Fast is equal to fast next. It means that fast is moving by two nodes and slow is equal to slow, next. And after the while loop ends, whether it's a odd linked list or whether it's a even linked list, we'll simply return slow from here. So this was the entire code. Now let's run the code. So it is getting accepted. Now let's submit it. So it is getting accepted and it is 100% efficient code. I hope guys you like the video. Please subscribe to channel for further questions.